In today's world, a password alone is not enough to keep your account safe. But does Google Authenticator really protect you, or can it create new problems? Hello and welcome back, friends. Let's talk about Google Authenticator, one of the most trusted apps for two-step verification. Just open your Google Play Store, then search Google Authenticator, which have 100 million downloads, then download this application. Alright, instead of relying on your password, the Google Authenticator generates unique time password codes on your phone that you need to log into your account. This makes it almost impossible for hackers to break it. Even if they somehow get your password, they cannot hack your account. Alright, here I can go with some another account. But guys, listen, it's simple, it's free, and it works offline. It's a big plus for security, which is a but here's the catch. If you lose your phone, you also lose access to your cards. Many users have been locked out of their own accounts because they did not save their backup keys. So is it worth using? Absolutely yes. It's one of the strongest ways to secure your account, but you must be responsible. Always keep your codes or link your account recovery option. Otherwise, the same tool that protects you can log you out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more guides on digital security and technology. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.